morning students, welcome back to SST class of 6th. In our previous video, we were studying the chapter number 3 of geography. The name of the chapter is Motions of the Earth. So in our previous video, we had covered the topics rotation, effects of rotation, revolution and effects of revolution. Okay, so let's take a quick recap of the previous topic. So what is rotation? Rotation is the movement of the earth on its own axis, and it takes 24 hours or 1 day to complete one rotation, and rotation is also known as the earth day. Okay, then what are the effects of rotation? The effect of rotation is that it causes day and night. Okay, now what is revolution? Revolution is the movement of the earth around the sun, and the revolution is known as the annual motion of the earth. Okay, so the revolution of the earth causes changes in seasons. Okay, now in today's video we will be discussing about the ephelion and perihelion. As we all know that Earth is the planet and it moves around the sun in a fixed path that is called as orbit. So the Earth revolves around the sun along a fixed path called as orbit, and its length is about 938 million kilometers. Okay? And we all know that the shape of the Earth is not properly sphere. It is flattened at the poles and bulged at the equator. ठीक? Then the orbit of the earth is oval shaped, elliptical shape, इसलिए हम orbit को ellipse भी कहते हैं. Okay? Now we will study about the ephelion and perihelion. Okay? First, perihelion. Peri means near and helion means sun. So when the earth is very near to the sun, that means perihelion. Peri means near यानी कि पास में, and helion means sun. So when the distance between the earth and the sun is minimum, जब earth और sun के जो distance से दूरी है minimum होती है, बहुत कम होती है, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? पेरीहिलियन. और वो डिस्टेंस क्या होता है? इट इज अबाउट 146 मिलियन किलोमीटर. ठीक? देन द अर्थ इज इन पेरीहिलियन. तब हम कहते हैं कि अर्थ क्या है? पेरीहिलियन में है. एंड दिस हैपेंस ऑन और अराउंड जनवरी 4 एवरी ईयर. और ये जो पेरीहिलियन होता है वो कब होता है? इट हैपेंस ऑन जनवरी 4 और अराउंड जनवरी 4. ओके, now ephelion. Ap means away from. Ap means away from मतलब कि far, दूर, and helios means the sun. So when the earth is far away from the sun, so when the distance between the earth and the sun is maximum, सबसे अधिक होता है, उस time हम क्या कहते हैं? ephelion. The earth is in ephelion. और उस टाइम डिस्टेंस क्या होता है अर्थ का? 151 मिलियन किलोमीटर. ओके, एंड द एवरेज डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द अर्थ एंड सन इज 148.5 मिलियन किलोमीटर. जो एवरेज डिस्टेंस है अगर हम देखेंगे, इट्स 148.5 मिलियन किलोमीटर, और ओनली 3% ये फ्लक्चुएट होता है. 148 से ये मैक्सिमम 146 हो सकता है या 151 हो सकता है. ठीक है? सो व्हाट इज perihelion? When the distance between the earth and the sun is minimum. ठीक है? It occurs on January 4 of every year. ठीक? And when the distance between the earth and the sun is maximum, सबसे ज्यादा होता है, उसे हम ephelion कहेंगे. ओके, and the distance between the earth and the sun is about 148.5 million kilometer. Okay, the cycle of seasons. So seasons means मौसम. Okay, the earth complete revolution around the sun in 1 year, हमें पता है the period of revolution is 1 year, that is 365 days, and the revolution का जो effect है it causes changes in season. So the earth completes one revolution around the sun in 1 year and it is divided into 5 seasons. First one is spring season, जिसे हम बसंत का मौसम भी कहते हैं, बसंत ऋतु. Then summer season, rainy season, autumn season, autumn means पतझड़ का season, and the winter season. So the changes in season is caused by the revolution of the earth and it is divided into 5 seasons: spring, summer, rainy, autumn and winter. Okay, now the cycle of season is caused due to, अब ये जो cycle होता है season का, जो चलता है whole year, how it is caused? It is caused by, the first one is the inclination of the earth's axis at a fixed angle and direction. जो inclination means tilting, जो झुकाव है, हमें पता है कि जो अर्थ है वो अपने एक्सिस, अपनी धुरी से थोड़ी सी क्या है, टिल्टेड है. कितनी टिल्टेड है? 23.5 डिग्री, अपने वर्टिकल प्लेन से 23.5 डिग्री टिल्टेड है. एंड वर्टिकल प्लेन पे ये अपना, ऑर्बिटल प्लेन पे ये अपना 66.5 डिग्री का एंगल बनाती है. तो इसका फिक्स्ड एंगल 23.5 डिग्री हो गया, 23.5 डिग्री वर्टिकल एंड 66.5 डिग्री ऑर्बिटल प्लेन. एंड डायरेक्शन क्या है? वेस्ट टू ईस्ट. So the inclination of the earth axis as a fixed angle and direction. So earth is inclined, tilted at a fixed direction, that is from west to east, and fixed angle, that is 23.5 degree and 66.5 degree. Okay. Then second is the revolution of the earth around the sun, and the cycle of season is caused how? It is caused by the revolution of the earth around the sun. And what is revolution? The movement of the earth around the sun is called as revolution. Okay. The movement of the earth around the sun and the position of earth on 4 selected days. तो जो earth और sun का position है वो 4 days पे selected होता है, जिसको हम solstice भी कहते हैं. That we will study in our upcoming video in detail. The 4 days are, the first one is 21st March. As you can see in the figure, it is position number 1, the position of sun and the earth. Then second position is on the day 21st June. Then third position is on the day 23rd September, and fourth position is on 22nd December. So these are 4 positions of the sun and the earth on a day, and they are called as solstice and equinox, that we will study in the upcoming video. So that's all for today, and I hope you all have understood the topics what I taught today. So in today's video, what we have studied? We have studied the perihelion and aphelion. Then we have studied the cycle of seasons, how the cycle of seasons are caused. Okay, so go through the chapter thoroughly, read all the points, watch the video and do the homework. Okay, so children, this is your homework. The question number 1 is you have to define the perihelion and aphelion. So you have to write the definition. Then second one, what is an orbit? Okay. Then third, what is the average distance between the earth and the sun? Sun और earth के बीच में कितना distance, कितनी दूरी है, that you have to mention. Then how the cycle of season is caused? So how, कैसे जो cycle of seasons होता है, 5 seasons होते हैं, वो कैसे होते हैं? Okay, how they are caused. And the fifth one is what is the length of the earth's orbit? earth की जो orbit है जिस पे वो घूमती है, चलती है, उसकी लेंथ, लंबाई कितनी है, that you have to write. Okay, so that's all for today, and do your homework neatly in your copy. Okay, in our upcoming video we will be studying about the equinox and solstices. So go through the chapter thoroughly. Be prepared for the next video. Okay. Thank you and have a great day.